Have you ever wondered how Boston Dynamics is revolutionizing the AI robot industry? Let's take a step back in time and explore the genesis of this groundbreaking company. Boston Dynamics didn't just spring into existence overnight. The company was born out of a vision to transform and challenge the boundaries of robotics. Its founders, a group of innovative thinkers, were set on a course to create robots that would ultimately redefine the industry. The company's journey began with a seemingly simple task: developing interactive three-dimensional computer simulations. This work was commissioned by the Naval Air Warfare Center, a division of the U.S. Navy dedicated to the advancement of aerial warfare technology. Though it may not have been robots as we know them today, this project was instrumental in shaping the company's future direction. The significance of this initial work cannot be understated. It laid the groundwork for Boston Dynamics' unique approach to robotics. The task required an understanding of complex real-world physics and their application in a virtual environment. This expertise later proved invaluable when Boston Dynamics began designing robots with unprecedented mobility and agility. The company's vision was to create machines that could navigate the physical world as efficiently and effectively as living organisms. This was a revolutionary idea in an era where robots were largely stationary and limited in their capabilities. This early work on interactive three-dimensional simulations also sparked a broader interest in dynamic motion and balance, two key elements in the development of their future robots. This focus on dynamic motion and balance would become a hallmark of Boston Dynamics robots, setting them apart from their competitors. In the years that followed, Boston Dynamics continued to push the boundaries of what was thought possible in robotics. Their commitment to innovation and their willingness to tackle complex challenges head-on were key in transforming the company into the global leader we know today. From this humble beginning, Boston Dynamics was set on a path to become a force to be reckoned with in the AI robot industry. But this was just the beginning of their journey. As we delve deeper into the company's history, we'll explore their groundbreaking work on military projects and the development of their game-changing robots. Stay tuned for the next chapter in the Boston Dynamics story. Boston Dynamics soon caught the attention of the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA. This marked the beginning of a new era, an era where Boston Dynamics would take on groundbreaking military projects that would push the boundaries of robotics to new horizons. In this phase, Boston Dynamics embarked on a journey to create robots that could revolutionize military operations. They focused on developing autonomous robotic systems that could navigate challenging terrains, carry heavy loads, and perform tasks that would be risky for humans. The goal was to enhance the capabilities of the military while reducing risks to personnel. One of the most notable projects was the development of Big Dog, a quadruped robot designed to traverse difficult terrains while carrying substantial loads. This robot, with its uncanny animal-like movements, was a testament to the innovation and engineering prowess of Boston Dynamics. It demonstrated the potential of robots to operate in environments that were previously thought to be inaccessible. Following Big Dog, Boston Dynamics continued to innovate and push the boundaries of what was possible. They developed the Cheetah, a robot that could run faster than the world's fastest humans, and the LS-3, a pack mule robot capable of carrying up to 400 pounds across 20 miles without refueling. These robots showcased the vast potential of robotics in military operations, from logistics support to reconnaissance missions. But it wasn't all about speed and strength. Boston Dynamics also worked on projects that emphasized agility and dexterity. One such project was the development of the Atlas, a humanoid robot designed to navigate complex environments and perform tasks that require fine motor skills, such as opening doors or lifting boxes. These military projects were not just a milestone for Boston Dynamics, but they also played a crucial role in advancing the field of robotics. They showcased the potential of robots to operate in challenging environments, perform complex tasks, and enhance the capabilities of the military. More importantly, they paved the way for the development of versatile robots like Spot, Stretch, and Orbit, which are now revolutionizing industries beyond the military sphere. With a solid foundation in place, Boston Dynamics embarked on creating a new generation of robots. Meet Spot, an agile mobile robot that can go anywhere you can. Spot is like a reliable teammate no matter the environment. It is designed to gather data, keep people safe, and explore without boundaries. Spot is a versatile companion, assisting in a myriad of industries and even inspecting hazardous sites that would otherwise put human lives at risk. Then there's Stretch, a game-changer in the realm of warehouse automation. This robot works tirelessly to streamline case handling and trailer unloading operations. Its design is not just robust, but also flexible and easy to deploy, which ensures smooth operations even in the busiest of warehouses. Stretch is a prime example of how Boston Dynamics is revolutionizing the way we approach logistics and supply chain management. And let's not forget about Atlas, the next-generation robot that's pushing the limits of what we thought possible. Atlas is a marvel of modern engineering, combining state-of-the-art hardware and advanced control systems that enhance its mobility, dexterity, and intelligence. When you step into Boston Dynamics lab and see Atlas in action, it's like stepping into the future. These robots, each with their unique capabilities and applications, are transforming how we work, play, and explore our world. They're deployed in a diverse array of industries, from logistics and manufacturing to healthcare and emergency response, demonstrating their versatility and the breadth of Boston Dynamics' vision. Through these robots, Boston Dynamics is not just creating machines. They're reshaping our understanding of what's possible in robotics. They're pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence, creating robots that can navigate complex environments, collaborate with humans, and even learn from their experiences. These robots are not just machines, they are the embodiment of Boston Dynamics' vision to create a future where robots work alongside humans, enhancing our capabilities. Boston Dynamics' innovation didn't stop at creating robots. With this sentiment in mind, we venture into the realm of software, where the company has expanded its horizons with Orbit, an enterprise fleet management tool. This system is not merely another cog in the wheel, but a significant leap forward in the management and control of robotic facilities. Orbit is the brainchild of Boston Dynamics' relentless pursuit of excellence. It's designed to provide unprecedented visibility and control over industrial facilities, effectively becoming the eyes and ears of the operation. With Orbit, oversight becomes a breeze and efficiency the norm. But what makes Orbit so special? Well, this software is akin to a symphony conductor, orchestrating the harmonious operation of the robotic fleet. It enhances industrial inspection capabilities, ensuring that every nook and cranny of the operation is under surveillance. This results in improved safety, reduced downtime, and increased productivity. The beauty of Orbit lies in its compatibility with Boston Dynamics robots, especially Spot. Think of Spot as the agile and dutiful orchestra player, and Orbit, the maestro, commanding the performance. Spot, with its ability to traverse any terrain, gather data, and work in hazardous environments, becomes an invaluable asset when paired with Orbit. The duo works seamlessly, leveraging each other's strengths to bring about a revolution in enterprise fleet management. Moreover, Orbit's intuitive interface and real-time data analysis make it a user-friendly tool even for those not well-versed in robotics. It ensures that the power of control and oversight is accessible to all, not just a privileged few. In essence, with Orbit, Boston Dynamics has gone beyond the confines of robotics and stepped into the world of comprehensive solutions. The company has proven that it's not just about creating robots, it's about creating systems that empower these robots, and in turn, the industries that deploy them. With Orbit, Boston Dynamics has demonstrated that it is not just a robotics company, but a comprehensive solutions provider. This is a testament to the company's innovative spirit and its commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of robotics and beyond. So where does Boston Dynamics go from here? As we gaze into the future, it's clear that Boston Dynamics has no intention of slowing down. Their current trajectory points towards further advancements in robotics that will continue to revolutionize industries worldwide. The potential is immense. Boston Dynamics could leverage their expertise in mobility and dexterity to develop robots capable of performing even more complex tasks, perhaps even those that currently require human intervention. Their robots might find new applications in sectors such as healthcare, construction, and emergency response, making our lives safer and more efficient. Moreover, the emergence of their enterprise fleet management software, Orbit, indicates a shift towards software solutions that augment their hardware offerings. This could mean a future where their robots are seamlessly integrated into the digital infrastructure of businesses, providing unparalleled visibility and control. Boston Dynamics continues to push the boundaries, and it's clear that their journey is far from over. And you, the viewer, have the opportunity to engage with this exciting journey of Boston Dynamics. Keeping yourself updated with the progress in this field not only quenches your thirst for knowledge, but also prepares you for a future where robotics will be an integral part of our lives. So, how can you stay in the loop with all these advancements? It's simple. By subscribing to our channel, you get access to all the latest videos and updates in the domain of AI and robotics. We strive to bring you the most informative and engaging content, dissecting the complex world of AI and making it accessible to everyone. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of Boston Dynamics and beyond, exploring how robotics is shaping our future. In the words of Isaac Asimov, "The only constant is change, and the rate of change is increasing." So, are you ready to embrace the future? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Also, make sure to turn on all notifications so you can stay updated in the domain of AI. Remember, we're on this journey together, and every bit of knowledge brings us closer to understanding the future that Boston Dynamics and other robotics companies are shaping. Until next time, keep asking questions, keep learning, and most importantly, keep dreaming.